Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making edible cookie dough. I know what you're thinking, you already eat your cookie dough. But technically, the flour can have bacteria in it, so if you're eating it raw, well, bad things can happen, let's just say that. Same thing, this recipe does not have any eggs in it because raw eggs can also carry a type of bacteria. So that said, this is going to be bacteria free and you can gobble up the cookie dough to your heart's content. Speaking of which, it inspired this song. Thanks for this request. You made me love you. I didn't want to do it, but I really wanted to do it. Cannot resist cookie dough. No, you can't. You know you can't. You really can't. Gimme, 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 gimme what I crave for. Edible cookie dough is something that I'd bribe for. You know you made me love you. I mean, it's edible cookie dough. First things first, let's get any possibility of any bacteria fully out of this edible cookie dough. We are going to bake the flour, so preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Sprinkle the flour in your dish. You want as even a layer as possible. It's on parchment paper so that I can easily transfer it out of here at the end. So let's get that as evenly distributed as possible. Bake for 5 minutes, that's it. The temperature, once you gather it all together, should be 165 degrees. Add your butter, brown sugar, granulated sugar. Beat until light and fluffy. Once it's light and fluffy, add in your milk of your choice. Add in vanilla or extract of your choice. Beat until combined. Add the salt and combine. Time's up, let's take it out. 0 bacteria flour. Let's go ahead and pour it into this bowl and check the temperature. There we go, 165. Add in your flour and then beat on medium-low until fully combined and there are no white streaks. Fold in the chocolate chips of your choice. At this point, you could make this into cookie scoops and refrigerate. You could just put it in one big bowl, which is what I'm doing because let's be real, people are gonna stick their spoons into this bowl and that's how they're gonna eat their cookie dough. Look at this edible cookie dough. Again, you could have served this in little individual bowls, but I mean, come on, really, it's about the big bowl. You can also stick this in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes overnight, longer. It's gonna keep for a long time. So I just couldn't resist, quite frankly, and wanted to try it right away. So let's do this. 0 bacteria and all of that chocolate chip cookie goodness in this spoonful. This is great. I'm probably going to be gone in the next hour in my household. Just keep note, you cannot bake this cookie dough. There is nothing holding it together like the eggs do. So this is just for you to enjoy spoonful by spoonful. Have some vanilla ice cream, put it on top of that, add it in. Have some sort of pie, add it to the side. There are lots of things that you could do with edible cookie dough, but quite frankly, you won't want to do anything else but just eat it straight from the refrigerator. So enjoy. You're welcome. If I can make this edible cookie dough for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your family and friends. Keep those song requests coming. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram for so much more.